Hi, today we are going to learning about associative property under multiplication. If a comma b comma c belongs to Q, then a cross b cross c equals to a cross b cross c. That means a into b into c equals to a into b into c. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ముందు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఏ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1/2, బి ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2/3, సి ఈక్వల్ టు 3/4 తీసుకున్నాం. అదే వాల్యూస్ని ఇక్కడ కూడా మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుందాం. Let us substitute the values a, b and c. 1/2 into 2/3 into 3/4 equals to 1/2 into 2/3 into 3/4. 2 gets cancelled. Here 3 gets cancelled. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So 1/3 into 3/4 equals to 1/2 into 1/2. 3 gets cancelled. 1/4 equals to 1 into 1 1, 2 2s are 4. So 1/4 equals to 1/4. That is LHS equals to RHS. So associative property under multiplication is possible.